Top 5 Best Cello Best Stand. Number 5. Hercules DS580B Cello Stand. The Hercules DS580B cello stand made it to our list of the best cello stands because of its high comfort factor. This product features high-quality aluminum construction. Next, its most desirable feature is the auto grip system that holds your cello securely, preventing any incidents. Thus, you can rest assured that your expensive instrument is protected at all times. It can hold large cellos as well as smaller ones and basses, making it a multi-purpose tool. Its dimensions are 49.6 by 7.17 by 4.92 inches and 26.7 by 7.5 inches when folded, and it weighs only 4.8 pounds. This product offers optimal comfort, with its adjustable height that lets players extend it when needed. Another awesome feature is the specially formulated foam that covers some areas that need extra protection, and the rubber-covered legs ensure a sturdy grip and prevent the stand from tipping over with the weight of the instrument. For added convenience, this model comes with a bow hook. However, this stand lacks compactness, since there is no proper folding mechanism. Coming in number 4. Paititi Premium Cello Stand. The Paititi Premium Cello Stand is one of our most valued picks, because of its beautiful wooden body and also other luxury materials used for its inner side. The high-quality construction gives it a competitive edge, and the velvet plush cushion offers a soft protective touch and matches the sleek, excellent finish of the wooden exterior. Thanks to this model, your instrument will attract attention even better. While being relatively large, with 23 by 12 by 13 inches dimensions and weighing 9 pounds, this stand is slightly heavy to carry around. This product can hold large 4/4 cellos as well as smaller ones. Also, it has a bow holder, making it a convenient purchase. The most appealing feature is the excellent finish on wood and an intricately carved design. Coming in number 3. Stagg SVCE Adjustable Foldable Stand for Cello. The Stagg SVCE is an outstanding cello stand because of its impressive metal base and ABS plastic body. The sturdy and durable model can hold all sizes of cellos, as well as smaller double basses, making it a multi-purpose tool. It comes with a bow holder that is convenient for users. Its dimensions are 19.69 by 7.87 by 7.87 inches and the weight is 7.89 pounds. The height of this cello stand is adjustable, making it a valuable pick for almost all cello players. The foldable construction makes it small and compact, so it is easy to carry. This is one of its unique selling points because the compact structure makes it suitable for traveling. This product has a safe design, and you can leave it around kids because it does not have any sharp edges. But, it does not come with a warranty, which can be a huge disadvantage for some. Coming in number 2. Vio Music Cello Wooden Stand. This cello stand holder is fit for a king, with its luxurious design and high-quality construction. The Vio Music Cello Wooden Stand is a premium pick because of its hand-carved wooden body that gives it a classy look, and it is quite convenient to use this product. The burgundy velvet cushion keeps your instrument safe in a soft area, giving it protection as well as having a luxury touch. Pleasant to the eyes, this cello stand is aesthetically appealing and serves its purpose of protecting and displaying your instrument dutifully. The design of the stand is suitable for 4/4 cellos and also for smaller sizes. One of the best qualities of this product is its stability, which is a highly demanded factor. The durability of this product makes it popular among buyers. It also has a bow hold slot that prevents any displacement or damage. The only con of this product is that it is not adjustable. Coming in number 1. Ingles Adjustable Folding Cello Base Stand SA22. This stand is a fully adjustable and sturdy model that fits cellos and basses of all sizes, making it a great pick. The dimensions of this product are 18.9 by 6.2 by 31.7 inches, and it weighs 9.23 pounds. This outstanding product is made of high-quality plastic, padded with foam at contact points to protect your instrument's look. Next, it has a handy bow holder, which is an important requirement for many artists. A cushioned hook allows you to safely hang the instrument, leaving enough room from the floor and sides. You can use the stand to leave your end pin extended, keeping your instrument ready to play at all times. The fold-down safety bar keeps your cello or bass secure and in one place. You will also find grip knobs for height adjustment, which allow you to set it according to your needs. It folds nearly flat, so it doesn't take much space, and you can put it easily in your vehicle and bring it to a class or a concert. As for the drawbacks, it is not the lightest model out there.